Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove old orders in Temu. So go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right. Okay, and under your name, you're gonna see your orders, coupons, and offers, credit balance. Go ahead and click your orders. All right. Now, as you can see, you don't have any order, but if you try to swipe left, you're gonna see right here the delivered, the returns, and all that stuff. Basically, here you're gonna see all of your order history, right? If you want to delete them, you would need to basically select each order and delete them individually, right? So if you have one item like in the screenshot right here, go ahead and click that item and then just go ahead and hit cancel or delete that item from your history. Another way of doing it, you can clear cache. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings and then general. Go ahead to the iPhone storage, and if you have the Temu app on your phone, you're gonna just go ahead and pin down Temu and offload the app. And by offloading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app. All right. And after you hit after you hit offload app and double click offload app, now you're gonna be able to reinstall it once again and basically browse new orders on Temu. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.